Good morning, guys.
Yay!
She's a Mona Lisa.
In the middle of a
Everyone's
panoramic,
lining up to see her.
Good morning, guys. It is 9:52. I'm so tired. I shouldn't be tired because I slept so much last night. Last night was probably the first time that I fell asleep before 12. I want to show you guys something new that's in my room. Probably a long awaited thing, but like I finally got it. So let me know if you guys see it. I'm just kidding. Yay! It's a desk. I finally have a desk in my room. So now my room won't look so janky and weird. But I'm about to get up and I'm going to go eat something. And then also I need to work out. And then I need to do some homework. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I feel like I never really show you guys where I work out at and like what I do, which I'm not going to show you guys what I do, but I'll show you guys where I work out at. We have like a back patio and it's just a lot of things back here that like it's kind of like a storage, but also like this is like me, my other two sisters, and then like half of my mom's like area. We just got this the other day, and then we have the weights, and then don't mind this jaggy little mat thing because I put towels because I don't feel like putting money out for a mat. So towels is that extra layer for me. And then we have a little bicycle, and then on this other side it's like all my mom's stuff. Yeah, this is like where I work out at. I'm gonna start stretching, and I guess I'll show you guys my stretching techniques, or like what I do to stretch. I do this all the time, and it kind of helps me, especially like after I eat. It lets me like wind down a little bit, you know, think. But yeah. Yeah, and that's all the stretching that I do. Sometimes I do like extra stuff, but like majority of the time that's what I do. I'm gonna go work out, and I will catch you guys probably whenever I'm in a better state physically, visually for y'all. I'm currently in class right now, but crazy story. I was like 9 minutes late, and she was talking about the exam that we have next week, and I have no clue, but it's recorded, so technically I'm Okay, I am so tired. The fact that like I have a table, and the point of me getting a table was me not having to wake up and do homework and schoolwork on my bed, but I'm literally on my bed. I'm not even at my table. I was supposed to wake up earlier, but I fell asleep after turning off my alarm, and I had my alarm on for 6:50. I woke up at like 8:40. Today I really want to wash my car. The outside of my car has so much pollen, and like it rained the other day, but like I know that it just came back onto the car, and like there's like a bird like pooped on the side of the car, and it's probably so like hard to get off now. If I had it sitting there for like a good couple of days, but yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna be doing today. Guys, I really try to not get into these little like unmotivated little pits or like feelings or something, but guys, it is so hard. Like I feel like my routine, I'm getting so tired of it, and it's not that I can do anything else to like fix it, because there literally is not anything for me to do. Like the whole like me waking up every morning, I make breakfast, I work out, I'll do homework, and then sometimes I'll drive to my sister's house, sometimes I'll go and get some like groceries or anything, or I'll clean my house. Sometimes I just get so overwhelmed that I have to do something, and like that kind of like takes up a majority of my time because I'm like just cleaning, and there's not much that I can do because we're in the middle of a panoramic, guys. There's not much, but like it's probably like this because like before I was used to waking up and going to a physical place and not being home all the time, versus like I'm home all the time, and it's like getting really like tiring. Does anyone else feel like that? Like let me know, because I mean I'm sure everyone feels like that, but we literally can't do anything about it. Yeah, just thought I'd put that in. I'm sure I said that in a video, but to change because I have to go and clean my car. The fact that I'm looking for an outfit to wash my car in, well, I usually wash my car in this tank top, so I guess I'll wear this. Every time I wash my car, my neighbors are outside. It gets a little awkward. Cosmos in the garage. I know my car doesn't look that bad, but it rained the other day, mind that, but also, oh, it's not on this side. There's poopy on it. Do you see that? We love that.
Lonely days and sleepless nights since you spoke out and hurt my pride, yeah. There's no need to say sorry. I can't get you off my mind, and you can't tell me this don't feel right, yeah. I know that you want me. There's no need to hesitate. If things go wrong, we'll take a break. I know it ain't easy. Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down,